In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a clean and organized workspace is more than just a matter of aesthetics. It's a key factor in boosting productivity, reducing stress, and fostering a positive work environment. For businesses and individuals in Austin, organizing an office clean-out can be an effective strategy to streamline daily tasks, improve focus, and set the stage for long-term success. Improved focus and efficiency. Cluttered spaces can be a major distraction. Whether it's piles of paper, overflowing files, or a desk full of unnecessary items, all this mess can create a mental barrier that hinders your ability to focus. An organized workspace, on the other hand, fosters a sense of clarity. When everything has its place and you can easily access the tools or documents you need, you're able to focus on the tasks at hand without unnecessary interruptions. In Austin's bustling business environment, efficiency is key. Whether you're running a tech startup, working in real estate, or managing a small business, staying organized allows you to work more efficiently. A clean desk and orderly office help keep your mind clear, so you can tackle each task without wasting time searching for misplaced items. Reduced stress and mental clutter. One of the most significant benefits of organizing your office is the reduction of stress. A cluttered workspace can subconsciously increase anxiety, especially if you're surrounded by unfinished projects or disorganized paperwork. The sight of disarray can also make you feel overwhelmed, leading to procrastination and a sense of being buried under a mountain of work. In Austin's competitive professional landscape, stress management is crucial for maintaining high levels of productivity and creativity. Taking the time to clean out your office, whether by discarding old paperwork, digitizing files, or simply reorganizing your desk, can create a sense of order and peace. This mental clarity allows you to focus on problem-solving and decision-making with a calm and clear mind. Enhanced creativity. An organized office doesn't just promote focus and efficiency, it can also enhance creativity. When you eliminate distractions and excess clutter, your brain has more room to think creatively. If your office is full of outdated documents, unused supplies, or old furniture, it can limit your ability to innovate. On the other hand, a well-organized, clean space can spark new ideas and help you approach challenges from fresh perspectives. In Austin, a city known for its vibrant tech scene and entrepreneurial spirit, creativity is the lifeblood of many businesses. Whether you're brainstorming new marketing strategies or developing a product prototype, a clutter-free environment can nurture your creative energy and help you bring new ideas to life. Health and well-being. An office clean out in Austin can also have physical health benefits. Dust, allergens, and old office equipment can affect air quality, leading to respiratory issues or headaches. By clearing out outdated equipment, wiping down surfaces, and reducing clutter, you can improve the air quality in your office and create a healthier work environment. Taking care of your workspace also promotes better posture and ergonomics. An organized office allows you to position your desk, chair, and computer equipment in a way that supports good posture, reducing the risk of strain or injury. In Austin, where work-life balance is highly valued, prioritizing health through an organized office can contribute to overall well-being and productivity. Boosted morale and team collaboration. A clean and organized office isn't just good for individuals, it's beneficial for teams as well. When employees walk into a tidy workspace, it sets a positive tone for the day. A well-organized office encourages collaboration, making it easier for team members to find shared resources and work together on projects. Additionally, when everyone takes part in the office clean-out process, it can create a sense of camaraderie and shared responsibility. Austin's collaborative environment is an ideal backdrop for promoting teamwork, and an organized office can help teams achieve more by improving communication and reducing confusion. When the workspace is neat and organized, everyone can focus on contributing their best ideas and skills to the task at hand. Professional image and client impressions. Lastly, an organized office reflects positively on your business. Whether you're hosting clients, potential investors, or business partners, a clean and well-maintained office demonstrates professionalism and attention to detail. It shows that you care about the little things, which can inspire confidence in your clients and prospects. Austin is known for its dynamic business scene, and making a great first impression is vital. An office clean-out ensures that your workspace is not only functional but also visually appealing. Clients will appreciate a tidy, organized space that aligns with your professional brand, creating an atmosphere that fosters trust and collaboration. Conclusion. In Austin, where business is growing and innovation is encouraged, organizing your office is more than just a task. It's an investment in your productivity, mental well-being, and overall success. By decluttering your workspace, you can unlock higher levels of focus, creativity, and efficiency while fostering a healthier work environment. A clean office doesn't just look good, it feels good, and that can make all the difference in achieving your business goals.